Hello everyone. You are warmly welcome. In today's lesson, we learn how to explain about things that are neither close to the speaker or the listener. So, today we learn how to use
あれ
in our conversations. Okay then, let's check today's vocabulary and some examples.
郵便局郵便局学校学校交番交番駅駅
That is the post office.
あれが郵便局です。あれが郵便局です。
What is that?
あれは何ですか？あれは何ですか？
That is the police station.
あれが交番です。あれが交番です。
That is a train station.
あれは駅です。あれは駅です。
Is that a school?
あれは学校ですか？あれは学校ですか？
Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in our next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to keep in touch with us.